how to delete your Nike member profile on Nike.com. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with the step-by-step tutorial to do so, which is completely safe. So you can just go over and follow this method. And keep in mind that doing so will permanently delete your account, order history, saved items, and Nike rewards as well. So once you head over to Nike website, what we can do is we can scroll to the bottom of the page and basically go to the help section and go to this option called help page and click on it. After that, in the space in the search, you can just go and enter delete my account and it will show you this articles available. You can just go over and view it up, such as how do I delete my Nike member profile, and it should provide you with the following articles. Now, what we need to do is we can just go over and look out for this contact us option here, or basically look out for the order online. For all of your information, you can access it, and you must also be logged in into to delete your account. So you can either go through the form available in your Nike help and privacy section. Otherwise, go to your profile in the top and select the option for account settings to open up your account details page. And from this section, we can scroll down and directly look out for this option called delete account. After that, you just need to click on this option called delete. And you can just go over and confirm that you would like to delete your account. You can click on this form right here. Yes, that you would like to delete your Nike account. And click on this option called delete your account. After that, just go over and confirm the information. You may need to enter the email code. You just need to go ahead and confirm it up. And once confirmed, your Nike member file will be permanently deleted. And remember that the deletion is permanent. You cannot go ahead and undo it, and gift cards linked to your account may still work, but any Nike rewards or promo codes associated with your account will be lost. And if you have any kind of pending orders, you can just go over and delete the account after your orders are completed, that only. So that's it, everybody. You may follow those methods. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.